The C programming language is a popular and widely used programming language for several reasons. Efficiency. C is known for its efficiency in terms of both runtime performance and memory usage. It allows for low-level programming, which gives programmers fine-grained control over hardware resources, making it ideal for developing systems-level software, embedded systems, and other performance-critical applications. Portability. C code can be easily compiled and executed on different platforms, including desktop computers, servers, embedded systems, and even some specialized hardware. This portability makes C a versatile choice for cross-platform development. Rich library support. C has a large standard library, which provides a wide range of functions for tasks such as input, output, string manipulation, memory management, and more. Additionally, there are many third-party libraries available for C, offering additional functionality and making it easier to develop complex applications. Flexibility. C is a procedural language that provides low-level memory manipulation capabilities, giving programmers the freedom to manage memory directly, which can be useful for tasks such as building data structures, implementing algorithms, and optimizing performance. Legacy code and systems. C has been around for several decades and has a large base of existing code and systems written in C. Many legacy systems, embedded systems, and operating systems are still written in C, and developers often need to work with C code to maintain or update these systems. Learning and teaching. C is often used as a first programming language for students and beginners due to its relatively simple syntax and concepts. Learning C can provide a solid foundation for understanding fundamental programming concepts such as variables, loops, and functions, which can be applied to other programming languages. Overall, C is a powerful and widely used programming language known for its efficiency, portability, rich library support, flexibility, and legacy code base, making it a popular choice for a wide range of applications.